Welcome to LearnComputerScienceOnline.com, and, in this video, we are going to discuss what is a random access memory, abbreviated as RAM, in computer hardware. The random access memory, also commonly referred as RAM, in computer science. RAM is a vital and essential component of every computer system. It is a type of temporary memory, used in the computer, to store the program, during the program execution. The RAM is a type of hardware component, installed on the computer motherboard, in the form of RAM modules, called DIMMs. The RAM modules are installed on the motherboard, into the special memory slots, designed to hold the RAM modules. In this video, we will discuss in detail what is RAM, its functions, and how it works. The random access memory is a type of storage device, and it is considered as main memory of the computer. A program that needs to run on the computer must be first loaded into the RAM. The computer program is stored into the RAM, so that the processor can access the data and instructions during the program execution. Let us now discuss in detail what is RAM. In order to understand how RAM works as a main memory of the computer, we need to first study the computer architecture in terms of various functional units. Let us take a quick look at the computer block diagram that represents various functional units present in the computer system. In computer architecture, the computer system broadly consists of 5 basic functional units. These functional units are the input unit, output unit, central processing unit, also called as processor or CPU, and a memory unit. The random access memory is a part of the computer memory unit. Computer system memory is an essential component of every computer system. The main function of the computer is to execute the program in order to perform a specific operation. Each program consists of number of machine instructions that directs the processor to perform various operations. The random access memory is said to be the main memory of the computer. In computer architecture, RAM is also referred as a primary memory, or a temporary memory, or a volatile memory, because it can store data only when it is powered on. Alright, let us now understand how RAM works. The program execution starts with loading the program into the main memory RAM. The operating system loads the executable copy of the program and associated data into the computer's main memory. The microprocessor initiates the program execution by fetching and executing the program instructions one by one. Computer system makes use of different types of memories, such as primary memory, that is random access memory RAM, cache memory, and secondary memory, that is permanent memory storage device, such as disk memory. Depending upon the computer system architecture, the computer system makes use of different types of memories in order to optimize the system performance. When a computer system is powered on, the operating system is the first system program that gets loaded into the computer's main memory RAM. The computer user can operate the computer system only after the operating system is fully loaded into the computer memory and it is fully operational. The computer system performance significantly depends upon the memory size, operating speed of the main memory RAM, and the processor speed. The computer memory is an essential component of every computer system. The computer system performance depends upon number of factors. However, the system performance significantly depends upon the memory size and the operating speed of the main memory RAM and the processing speed of the computer system. The computer system makes use of different types memories, organized in a hierarchical order, depending upon the system architecture. These different types memories are organized in a hierarchical order in order to optimize and improve the system performance. The different types of memories are used in a computer system includes the disk memory, which is also commonly referred to as hard disk, and the main memory RAM. The main memory RAM is also referred as primary memory or a temporary memory. The disk memory is also referred as permanent memory or as secondary memory because it retains the data even if the computer system is powered off. The computer system memory hierarchy also includes some high-speed memory, such as cache memory. The cache memory is a high-speed memory, placed between the microprocessor, that is CPU, and the main system memory, RAM. The cache memory is a type of high-speed memory, used by the central processing unit, to store the frequently used data and the program instructions. Due to the advancements in the computer hardware technology, the RAM technology has also significantly improved over a period of time. The latest generation of RAM technology is significantly faster and better as compared to its predecessors. The RAM technology has transitioned from SDR to DDR standards, which offers twice the operational speed. Different generations of DDR RAM modules were subsequently introduced, which include DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5 standards. Let us now summarize. The computer memory RAM is a vital component and a critical resource managed by the operating system. The computer system memory unit consists of different types of memories, with different sizes, placed in a hierarchical order as per the system architecture. That brings to the end of this tutorial on what is a random access memory. Please visit our website, learncomputerscienceonline.com, to learn computer science online. If you have liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with another computer science tutorial.